Hi, I'm Rebecca Miller with Midwest Technical Institute, and I'm here today to present the MTI WQAD Score Standout of the Week to Maya Brown. Congratulations. So Maya, to start, for the record, if you could just go ahead and state your name, your high school, and your sport.
My name is Maya Brown. I attend AlWood High School and I play softball.
Awesome. Okay, I just have a few questions for you. What is the best part about playing softball?
Probably the team. It's just a great group of gals and I love softball, so.
Awesome. And what's your biggest motivator in life, both on and off the field?
Probably my parents are probably my biggest motivators. They're always at every sporting event cheering me on. They're really my biggest fans.
Awesome, that's good to hear. And what are your plans after high school?
I plan to attend college and hopefully play softball.
Great. How has being an athlete made you a better student, and how has it helped you grow as a person?
It has really made me a better student because having almost no time to do my schoolwork has really made me focus a lot harder on school to get better grades. And I think having to work with other girls and be a part of a team has really made me a better person.
Awesome. What is on your bucket list before finishing high school, Maya?
I think hopefully going to state for softball or even just making it past sectionals.
Awesome. All right, one last question for you. If you could give freshman athletes in your sport one piece of advice, what would it be?
I would say don't take it for granted because it will be gone before you know it.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much and congratulations.
Thank you.